Hey everyone, it's a pleasure to kick off the Penn Library's demo. This year, we have 8 members of our digital library development team in attendance at the summit. You'll be hearing more from John, Mike, Amory, and Patrick in this presentation, but I also want to introduce Doug, Carla, and Baowei. We currently have 5 Blacklight apps running in production. All of our code bases can be found on GitHub, and the URLs and versions are on this slide.
Hi, I'm Amory Mathern, application developer at Penn Libraries, and this is Find, our Blacklight digital catalog. We're currently running the latest version of Blacklight 8. We also use import map Rails and PropShaft to power our asset pipeline without any Node or Yarn dependencies. We plan to upgrade to Blacklight 9 in the near future and migrate from using Sass to the compiled CSS that Blacklight now provides. The first thing I want to show you is our advanced search feature, where users can make more granular searches across our different fields. This is a native Blacklight feature that doesn't require additional gems. And one of the more interesting things on this page is our custom facet search and multi-select input implemented by my colleague Patrick. And if you'd like to do something similar, there's a succinct write-up on the Blacklight wiki.
I'm Michael Canning, developer team lead here at Penn Libraries. When we were building out this catalog, we wanted to ensure that it could live a long and happy life and be sustainable. So we tried to reduce the number of gems and Blacklight plugins that we use to make it easier to stay up to date on all our dependencies. So we make use of 2 Blacklight plugins. The first is the dynamic sitemap gem that helps crawlers crawl our record pages. And the other is the Blacklight RIS export gem that supports exporting record metadata for use by citation managers.
Here, I've conducted a search and get the display of results. And you can see some of our local customizations to include our Alma availability info in our display of results. On our record show page, we also have customized constraints at the top left, and we also have customized show tools. 2 tools in particular I want to show you is first the staff view, which we render natively in our application. We do not use the Blacklight mark gem, and also our custom citations that we also render within our application.
One of my favorite features about our catalog is the ability to make a request for an item within the record page. So I can select a holding here, and then within this, I can make a request to pick up the item. It's very nice. So it makes the request, and then I'm taken to my shelf where I can see all the books that I have checked out. I can renew and I can cancel. Thanks, everyone. And now we'll pass this on to Patrick to demo our digital collections app.
Hi there, my name is Patrick Perkins, and I'm an application developer at UPenn Libraries. We're showcasing our new digital collections application, which is a Rails application built on Blacklight 9. It's built to showcase archival material, manuscripts, and other digital assets with a IIIF viewer integration, specifically Clover IIIF. As you can see, our homepage really doesn't look like a classic Blacklight application. We use some of these custom Blacklight static pages that redirect to standard Blacklight searching and faceting. For example, if I enter a search term here, we get redirected to standard Blacklight searching. As you can see, our collection here is Early Soviet Posters collection, and our format is poster. If I click this link here, I'm redirected to the show page for this specific item, Playing Prepares the Child for His Future Life. This is an example of a more complicated manuscript in our collection. As you can see, as far as metadata display, this is pretty standard Blacklight behavior with some customizations. We also have the ability here to download and share. This will give us a PDF, and this links to the IIIF manifest that the viewer is reading from. As you can see, the viewer starts in placeholder canvas mode, but as soon as we click on it, we get classic IIIF behavior. One of the considerations we had to make when integrating Clover into this application was using a stronger JavaScript build pipeline like ESBuild in place of standard import apps. This comes with some trade-offs, like we no longer have automatic stimulus controller loading, but it gives us much more flexibility when it comes to the customization of Clover. One of those customizations is this custom table of contents plugin. As you can see, we open this, we get some of this metadata here, and we also have this table of contents page. This comes from a set of ranges in our IIIF manifest. And these are all annotations from inside the manuscript. When you click on this, it opens up to the page. You can try it with another one. In older versions of Blacklight, we have our facets with a header that says limit your search, and also our constraints have a start over button, edit search, and no visible header. One of the changes that we made when we were working on this digital collections application was we decided to simplify those things a little bit. So as you can see, there's no more you searched for heading here. We've moved that to where the constraints and facets actually are. We've also opted to remove the header here in favor of a simpler result count option. Some of these changes have been accepted into upstream Blacklight and are now part of Blacklight 9.
I'm John, Senior Designer and User Interface Developer at Penn Libraries. I lead the theming and design work for our Blacklight applications. And I also maintain our design system, where I'm often deciding whether UI we're building for our Blacklight applications should be made available for reuse across all our sites. Part of my job is negotiating with developers about how far we customize Blacklight while staying upgrade friendly. That usually means doing as much as we can with CSS before changing or modifying templates. Bootstrap custom properties have helped a lot with our look and feel theming, and a prefixing convention helps us identify what's a design system style, what's a Blacklight specific style, and what's app specific. I'm interested in how other teams handle that same trade-off, so if you've got strong opinions on theming and UI customizations, I'd love to listen.